Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 21st of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.77%, settling the day at 39,134.76 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,717.90, falling 0.81%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,667.88 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,106.70. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,590, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,569.40 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Pay firm Olympus planning $100 MN stake sale with upsize option. RBI has increased its gold hoard in 2024 and may acquire more. One of the industry's suggestions in the pre-budget discussion is to divest some stake in low-float PSU stocks as they are seeing valuation bubble in at least some cases. Now talking about global aspects, the number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US eased by 5,000 to 238,000 on the second week of June. US oil stocks fell by 2.5 million barrels last week but missed expectations for a decline of 2.8 M barrels. WTI traded 0.7% higher to settle at $82.17 a barrel, while Brent climbed 0.8% to $85.71 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105.26. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.26%. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices oscillated between gains and losses today, following the previous day's record highs. This trend is primarily driven by profit booking in overvalued stocks, with investors reallocating funds to more reasonably valued securities. A notable market trend is the pronounced sectoral churn, which is anticipated to persist in the near term. Key equity indices, Sensex and Nifty, closed the day with minor gains at 77,478.93 and 23,567.00 respectively. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, in simpler terms, after surpassing the hurdle at 23,515, which is the 1.382% Fibonacci extension level, it's likely that the Nifty will aim for the next resistance level at 23,950 soon. The immediate support level stands at 23,450. While immediate hurdle stands at 21,750 to 21,800. The Bank Nifty has decisively breached the crucial resistance level of 50,750 on its hourly charts and closed above it. This sets the stage for a potentially bullish scenario in the coming weeks, with the next significant resistance seen around 52,000. This breakthrough suggests favorable conditions for banking stocks, indicating potential upward momentum in the near term. Bank Nifty gave breakout above its all-time high level at 51,000. Short-term support will be placed at 50,800 to 51,000, while hurdles placed at 52,000 to 52,200 for the target price of 53,000. Stocks on radar are MapMyIndia, FACT, RCF, Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.